Let's synchronize.
Good morning, guys. Moto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much, guys, for clicking. Thank you so much for always coming here to watch my videos, guys. It's Sunday morning, 8 a.m. Okay, the weather is so good, but today we are going to use our air fryer. It's called Cosori air fryer. I'm going to be showing you different kinds of foods that I use with air fryer. But today we are going to air fry carrots. We're going to chop these carrots into like kind of French fries shape. You can shape them in any shape. You can use you can make a square, you can make a triangle. You know, for those ones who are mathematicians, you can cut this carrots into different shapes, and we are going to air fry them using our new Cosori air fryer. Guys, I tell you, I'm going to be bringing you different kinds of foods that we're going to air fry. So let me take you to the kitchen. Of course, we are going to air fry potato as well. Let me show you the potato. Boom, we are going to air fry this potato, and we are going to eat with our carrots. Of course, we are going to add some condiment, tomatoes, or barbecue sauce, or ranch. And of course, we're going to make our Kenyan tea. So today, I'm going to welcome you to my kitchen. Let's go use our Cosori air fryer. And guys, if you have not liked my videos, go ahead and like and tell people about Umoto Lifestyle, okay? Let's go to the kitchen. Let's air fry food. Well, this is our air fryer right here. It's Cosori air fryer, as you can see. So we're going to chop our carrots. I have this cutting board here. I'm going to use a small one today. And of course, I have my knife. Let me go ahead and wash my carrots and potato. I just washed my carrots here and potato. And of course, I have my knife. All I have to do, I am going to cut and make a shape. Let me show you. First, I just cut these carrots into a half, and of course my potato into a half. Now I am going to make a shape like French fries. Let me cut and then I'll show you. Well, guys, you can see I have chopped my carrots and potato. These are potatoes and these are carrots. And I have some spices right here that I am going to spray over here. And of course, I'm going to use this a little bit of oil. This is original easy cleanup, okay? It's a canola oil, this one here, but it's in a spray form. So after we do this, we are going to put this mixture into an air fryer. So let's go ahead and season first. So I'm gonna use this turmeric. This is curry powder, and again, it's your choice. It's what you want to mix. I'm gonna put a little bit of turmeric. I'm gonna put a little bit of parsley. I'm gonna put a little bit of herbs here, Providence. I'm gonna put over crushed pepper. This is crushed pepper right here, and of course we have salt, and of course we have our garlic. All of this is going in this carrots, a mixture of carrots and potato. Okay, let's go and mix. So I'm starting with a little bit of salt, not too much, just a little bit of drizzle to make it taste. I'm gonna use my other hand to open. So guys, as you can see, I have mixed all the spices. They're in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this a little bit like this. Look at that. Look at that, guys. The aroma that comes from here. Oh my goodness. So after mixing, make sure every one of them has some kind of spices here. So I'm using this African cooking stick, guys. Look at this stick. This stick tells you that I cook a lot. Look how it's beaten up, okay? Actually, we got this one from Kenya. Can you imagine? Imported. So we are going to spray this bum bum. I call it a bum bum. Just a little bit, not too much. It's oil, but it's in a spray form, okay? And we're doing this oil thing so that our carrots and potato don't stick on our air fryer. So we're gonna go ahead. Guys, I'm recording and my camera is all over. this one hand cannot even handle anything. So I'm spraying, look at that. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of coffee with 2 hands. Maybe I can do it with 1 hand. So I'm gonna do a little bit of mixture. Look at that, look at that. Look at this lady here, Umoto. So our mixture is done. So we're gonna go ahead and put all this mixture in our air fryer. Let's go see. Guys, this is our air fryer basket. I just put it here so that we can pour all this mixture in here. I wanted you guys to see. So this is our air fryer. Shake it. Now all our potato and carrots mixture are in here. Look at that. They are in here. Make sure you line them so well so that each one can get, heat, because we are going to air fry them. So make sure they're in there. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're going to put them, I'm gonna put this basket back here, in here. It's an air fryer. So I'm gonna put this basket in here. Now our carrots and potato are in here. The air fryer is on. I'm gonna turn it on, and I am going to look for carrots because the same temperature you cook with the carrots and potato is the same. So my carrots is right here, guys. All you have to do is just press carrots and look at the temperature. They say you're gonna cook 400 in 12 minutes. So we are going to wait for our breakfast for 12 minutes. All I have to do is to hit a start. You hear that? Boo! So the noise, it's coming from the air fryer. That means our mixture of carrots and potatoes are air frying. So let's wait for 12 minutes for our breakfast. Meanwhile, as we cooking our carrots, we have to cook coffee. So let me go ahead and start lighting this fire and cooking my coffee using my candle. So guys, as you can see, when it's about 6 minutes remaining, it peeps. It makes noise for you. It allows you to shake your cooking. So I'm gonna open and try to shake it. Okay, so shake. That's why it's beeping the noise. It's like shake me. So that after shaking, we can put it back. You see? The moment you pick back, it picks up and it started frying again. Look at that. Magical. So meanwhile, we are going to make our coffee. We're going to cook our coffee. Of course, I put water in here in this kettle. So what I'm going to add in my kettle today, we are going to have lemon coffee and ginger. This is ginger. So the ginger is going in there. Come on, ginger. It's going in there. Lemon, ginger. And we're gonna add our lemon. Of course, you have to slice your lemon like that, and it's going in there. We are going to cover it up. Look at that. Look at that. And then I'm going to lit my gas. Look at that. My gas stove. For those ones who use gas stove, raise your hand up. We are going to lit our gas. Let me go ahead and lit it up like that. And then our coffee is going in there. Look at that. So, mixture of veggies, which is carrots and potato, it's going on, while our coffee is going on here. Guys, let me know what you eat for your breakfast, and let me know if you use actually gas. Do you use electric or you use gas? For me, I use gas here in my house, and it's fantastic. And guys, the video is coming up next time, how we're gonna remodel our kitchen. Okay, seriously, let me ask you a question. Do you clean while cooking, or you wait until you cook and then you start cleaning? For me, I found myself cleaning all the time. I'm cooking, I'm holding this thing here, I'm wiping. I'm like, do I have OCD? Guys, let me know if you clean while cooking. Like now, I was cutting all this mixture of veggies, and I feel like I need to start wiping, cleaning. I don't want to see anything. That is Umoto lifestyle, so I don't know. Let me know what you think if you clean. So, I don't know. Maybe it's me thing, or it's your thing. So comment below, guys, let me know. So we are waiting for our breakfast, and as I told you guys, we are going this year. Actually, we're going to remodel our kitchen because I want my kitchen to have like white tiles. I don't know what you think, guys. I don't know, but that video will be coming up so that we decide together. Meanwhile, let's wait for our breakfast. I'm hungry. Guys, what I like about this pot, look, the kettle, when it's boiling, it makes some funny noise. You hear that? Like a whistle. Whee! Now my coffee water is ready. Let me go ahead and turn my stove off. Wow. So guys, we have 1 minute remaining. Let's just wait. We are about to eat our veggie, carrots and potato. I'm yawning. Guys, after 12 minutes, let's see what we have. This is what we have. Oh my, look at that. Look who is here. Very crispy, crunchy. Look at the french fries. This air fryer, it's amazing. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. The aroma. Let's go serve. So guys, I have cut some grapefruit here because we are going to use this one as well. But let's go serve our potato and carrots. My goodness, no oil used, no deep frying. That's why I love this air fryer. It's much healthier than this deep frying in the oil. And actually, you can lose weight with this method. So that's why I bought this Casori air fryer. There's so many kind of different types of air fryers, but I chose Casori because that's what I like. Okay, so I am going to serve my people. Look at that. Look at that. This is our whole punch of breakfast. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to wipe it. Actually, I'm not going to wash it. You can wipe it literally because there's no oil in here. So I'm going to do that in a minute, but let's put this on the table. Guys, here is my breakfast table. As you can see, I have my veggies, of course, in the morning and my grapefruits. I have some condiment here. I have some barbecue. Some people like it with the barbecue. That's why I put it here. Some of my boys love ketchup and some of them love ranch. And of course, we love to eat Toaster's Choice coffee in the morning. Some people love to mix their coffee with a lactate milk. And some of them, yes, and some of them loved almond milk organic. So this is what we're gonna have this breakfast. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring my water and fill with coffee and then enjoy our breakfast. So the main thing was, this is how you fry your veggies. You don't have to be, it doesn't have to be only carrots. So there's different kinds of veggies, and this is how you air fry with our Cosori air fryer. And this is how we are going to enjoy our breakfast. So this is how I make my breakfast. I'm gonna get a spoon of Toaster's Choice coffee and put it inside my cup. I'm gonna get a little bit of organic almond organic oil milk. I'm gonna put a little bit. I don't put a whole lot, so I put a little bit of this, and then I add hot water. So let's add our hot water here. Look at that. Look at that. That is Umoto Lifestyle Morning Ginger Coffee. Yes, this is how it looks like. Smells good. Oh well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this breakfast making with Umoto Lifestyle with a Cosori air fryer. So let me go ahead and enjoy my carrots. This is how you dip in the ranch. This is ranch, and this is how we eat here. Sometimes, not all the time, but this 2025, I tell you, I am going to start eating healthy, and this is how I'm starting my 2025. This is carrot and this is potato. Let me dip it in there. Delicious. No oil, no deep frying. Okay, it's just air fried. I love it. And then I'm gonna enjoy my cup of ginger coffee and lemon. Umoto Lifestyle is going to be healthy. So guys, If you have a air fryer, let me know how you use it or what you back in there. For me, this is how I do it, especially weekends. I love to have a good time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure guys you subscribe. Come on, let's watch and subscribe. You share the video with everybody, your family members and your friends, and tell them about Umoto lifestyle. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.